Hello everyone, myself Vaishali Sawant from TSSM Signet Public School, New Nare. Today's topic exponent and powers. Students, we know the area of square and volume of cube. Yes, area of square is side square and volume of cube is side cube. But if the length of one side of square is A, then what will be the area of square? It will be A square. Or suppose we have length of cube is A, then volume of cube will be A cube. So students, if we see clearly, there is one number which is at upper right corner to the A. So what that means? That means this number are nothing but exponent or index, or we can say power. So students, today we are going to learn more about exponent. So see, there are some numbers. First, single digit number 2, next 2 plus 2, next 2 plus 2 plus 2, and so on. For this, what we can do? Suppose if we have 2 plus 2, that means 2 multiply 2 or 2 into 2. If we have 2 plus 2, then it can be right 2 multiply 3, or last term 2 plus 2 for 10 times, that means 2 multiply 10. This means this is repeated addition. Now add 2 for 30 times or add 2 for 50 times. So how we are going to write it? We are going to write 2 multiply 30 or 2 multiply 50. This means if we have repeated addition, that time we can use multiplication. But students, what happen if we have repeated multiplication? Suppose we have 2 multiply 2 for 10 times. Are you going to write it for 10 times? Yes, but it is very time consuming and it will be very difficult for understanding. So mathematician introduced new method for this. So let's say if 2 multiply 2, how we can write it? Write it in exponential form. That means 2 to the power 2. The exponential is place of upper right corner to the base number, and it shows that how many times base number multiply itself. For example, 2 multiply 5 times, then how we can write it? We can write it 2 to the power 5, or 2 multiplied by 2 30 times, then how we can write it? We can write it 2 to the power 30. So students, here we have repeated multiplication, that time we can use exponent, and general form of exponent is a to the power n. So let's see more examples how to write in exponential form. Okay. Suppose for example square root 2, how to write in exponential form? Square root 2 is written as 2 to the power 1 by 2, or cube root of 2 is can be written as 2 to the power 1 divided by 3. So students, here we can see 1 divided by 2 or 1 divided by 3 are nothing but exponent. So students, I hope you understand more information about exponent.